got in the point lookout?
Glad I saw the ball. This motherfucker don't take over the kitchen.
It's got the point lookout state park.
Stay away from me when we're in Vegas.
Just got the tackle box, grab some bait, and another 30 minutes to point lookout.
Alright. We're at Point Lookout right now. See the water? We caught a couple fish. Most of them they keep on biting fast. Getting like that 3-inch fish. Well, not even 3 inch, 1 inch, a few centimeters. Keep on getting small fish. Now we're at Point Lookout. This is our setup right now. Then he's over there. Don't know what he's doing.
It's smooth.
Yeah.
So no big fish yet, but the big fish are coming.
Yeah, they
Tide's
coming.
moving in. All right.
Yo. W. W to throw right there, man. Alright. We'll see if I can catch a fish over here.
See that light post? Light post? That way north.
Yo.
This way.
This rod's so light.
I didn't get stuck once. But you're right. This way I got stuck. This way.
Alright, we're going on a time lapse.
It ain't the head. Some took the head. Unless a crab.
Yo. Why is this rod so light? Oh, nothing, man. How much bites? None. These are dash, just look. Alright, watch me throw this bad boy.
Hey, that ain't perfect.
Alright, time lapse. Yo, my hat.
You don't have a strap on your head or something?
Nah,
Like one of these straps?
I don't.
The wind strap?
Nope. Just got hold on tight. Alright, I'm gonna cut until this fish comes, man. This fish comes, I'm recording it. Man, you lose the fish. Better catch another.
That's it?
Hey, that's a miracle. But I'm glad when I did this, I didn't do it too hard. It was right there. It could have fell out in the water. You know what I mean?
That's true.
Oh, man.
You want more?
You want any more?
No, it's not burn.
What do you think? This is McDonald's?
No, empty.
No, watch out for you. Oh, I can see.
I can see too.
Oh, yeah. See, now I can't shake the bait. That's what I
Feet.
think. 3 would have been good.
Now you're good. I'll show you how to do it.
See, there's more weight on there, Castor.
And then you don't have to do it.
Yeah, I don't have to hold it. Now, that's what it is. It's light, where if you got something heavy on it, you're good.
Yo. Listen.
And now it holds a little better. A little bit.
Yeah, I see it slide.
It still slides.
Okay. Eat your food so you don't get cold.
Can you give me a Coke?
It's right there. Your Coke is right there. That's yours. Nick, can you give me a Coke? I got it.
Caffeine.
You didn't get no sleep. That is cheese. You take 4 slices out. You gonna eat 2. I'm gonna eat 1.
Just try it.
And then I'm gonna toast the bread on here a little bit too. Perfect.
See you again. And I see the red.
Yeah, what I do, like you know how you gotta cook a little bit on this side? I flip it.
Flip it now?
Just a little bit.
I didn't clean that. Dip it in the water in the cooler.
And clean.
No, Catherine, that was in my book bag. It just touched the ground. It didn't touch anything. It ain't clean. All you gotta do is wipe in the water. It's been in my book bag and it's sticking out. It's not even. Yeah, like that.
We can't take it. This ain't yummy. This is a 5-star restaurant.
Yes, it is.
Simple fork wash. Oh, yeah, good idea. Pick it up.
I can be all the editing for this video. Give me a break. Funny. Real funny.
Okay. Now it's going to It's slide right off.
It's sliding?
It did.
This side is good.
Hold it.
Like you have to hold it.
How many rods you got in the water? You might as well just stay here and eat the burger real quick.
It goes like this.
Let me see.
This side didn't do it, so this one did a little bit better. It slides like slippery, like. I don't know if the bottom gets greasy or something. Probably did.
Three, two, one, go.
Yep. You're gonna catch some more, right? He said he retired. Yeah, I don't blame him. this thing, but. Okay, you want to try it? Oh my God, here, Cassie.
Oh shit. Dang.
Hey, hold on one second. Cat, that's all you. He got one too coming. Cat, hook it. Try to hook it. I can't hook it. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Hey.
Nice.
Woo.
That's thick. So thick.
Woo.
Let's see. I gotta give you that one. Dang.